In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple column chart in Google Sheets on desktop. By the end, you'll have a clean, readable chart that turns your numbers into a visual story. Start by entering your labels and values into the spreadsheet. Put your categories, like months or product names, in one column and the corresponding numbers in the next column. It helps to include a header at the top of each column, such as month and sales, so Google Sheets knows what to use for the axis and the legend. Keep your numbers as plain numeric values without extra symbols, and avoid blank rows in the middle of your data. If your information is already in the sheet, just make sure it's consistent and arranged in two neat columns. Next, highlight the data range you want to chart. Click and drag from the top left cell of your data to the bottom right cell. Include your headers in the selection so they appear properly in the chart. If you prefer the keyboard, you can hold Shift and use the arrow keys to expand your selection. Keeping all the data in one continuous block makes things simpler and more accurate. Now, go to the top menu and click Insert, then choose Chart. Google Sheets will immediately insert a chart on your sheet and open the chart editor on the right. Don't worry if the first chart type isn't what you want. We're about to set that up. In the chart editor, find the chart type drop-down and select Column Chart. This creates vertical bars that compare your categories side by side. If you see a stacked or 3D option, skip those for now to keep things straightforward and easy to read. Take a moment to review the chart preview and adjust settings if needed. Confirm that your labels are on the horizontal axis and your values are on the vertical axis. If something looks off, use the Setup tab to switch rows and columns, or ensure your first row is used as headers. Under the Customize tab, you can add or edit a chart title, adjust axis titles, choose colors that are easy to distinguish, turn on data labels to show values above each bar, and tweak grid lines for readability. Aim for clarity and keep the formatting consistent. When everything looks right, click outside the chart to finish and save it. Google Sheets saves changes automatically, and your chart will stay on the sheet. You can always click the chart later to move it, resize it, or reopen the chart editor for further tweaks. That's it. Your simple column chart is ready to use, present, or share.